lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for clicking on today's video. We're starting out outside because I made one food and there was no other place to eat it than to eat it outside. This is the amala and stockfish okra with stew and chicken. That's it. Today I'm just eating outside. That was just the vibe I was getting after I made this food. I cannot eat it inside. I even wanted to sit on the floor. That was the whole vibe I was getting. But as it's not possible and it's already getting cold, I just had to take it outside. Now I know that I have to invest in some location worthy cutlery because this cup and this plate is just giving confusion at this point. But anyway, you guys, I enjoyed myself eating this food outside, and once I was done, I went back inside to just chill with the family. Everyone was just vibing. The boys they could not decide whether they wanted the tablet or the TV. It was just a normal day, really, in the household of the Lusis. But anyway, everybody was just chilling here, and then I decided to just go ahead and edit videos because honestly, you guys, but check out Dana's reaction when he finally saw the camera. He had to do a dance. But you guys, my happy boy. Anyway, you guys, as I was saying, this is all I seem to be doing these days, like editing or vlogging, and it's sometimes it gets overwhelming because I don't know. I was currently editing one of my Shein videos. It's probably up at this time. The thumbnail will be here on the screen. Yeah, this is all I do. Edit videos, settle fights, and settle some more fights because what exactly is going on in this house? Hi lovelies, and welcome to the segment of the video. We have been sponsored again by Madam Glam. The OGs on the channel know that they have sent us some products in the past, but in today's video they have sent us these lovely items, and I'm just going to be talking you through them. They have sent us their top gel. This is the soak off base coat, the builder gel. They've also sent us some of their new products, which are the acrylic pens, and they've sent us a top coat. This is just a picture of the previous collaborations we've had, and this is the first step I'm going to be showing you today. I'm doing this on false nails. I've gone in with the soak off polish. Well, first of all, I've done the base coat, the soak off polish, and then I'm going in with the acrylic pen just to mimic the French nails, and this is what it turned out to be. It's so nice, and then I just locked that in with a coat of the top coat, and that is it. This is what the nails are looking like. Don't forget to apply some oil to the base of your cuticles. Some cuticle oil will help to restore your nails and just ease with the tension of false nails. So that's what this first one is looking like. So if you are not team false nails or you can't be bothered, this is the method for just applying this on your nails. I did this a couple of weeks after I had the false nails in, and I just have to show it to you. It is so easy. So you go in first of all with your base coat. Just a layer of that will do. Once that is done, you cure that and you get ready for the next step, which is to apply the builder gel. Now this builder gel, in my opinion, you can't rush this process, and you have to go in small installments. The smaller the application, the much smoother it will come out to be. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's just how it works for me. So just light coat of that, and this is what it looks like. You cure, and then you go in with the soak off polish in this amazing color. I just love how natural this color goes. I apply just one coat of that, and then I cure again, and then I repeat the process all over again, and then that's when I feel like that is the right color for me. So this is the second application. I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that and cure as well. This is what it looks like all dried up, and then you go in with your top coat. At this point, if you want to go in with the acrylic pen, this is the perfect time to do that before the top coat. Just a light application of that will do, and then you cure and your nails are all done. Don't forget to apply your cuticle oil just to help with the shine and also to repair your cuticles. That is it, you guys. This is what the natural nails are looking like. Thank you again to Madam Glam for sponsoring this video. Let me know what team you are, team false nails or team natural nails, in the comment section. No one will be judging. You guys, I don't know how many of you are used to the acrylic pens, but I think they're a great addition to this box. I just can't wait because, you know, there's so many designs you can do with them. Thank you again to Madam Glam for sponsoring us. I absolutely love how these turned out. You guys know what to do. The link will be in the description.
3 days later.
Oh my god, you guys, I just missed a package. Apparently Royal Mail tried to deliver a package to me, and because they had knocked and they didn't get any response, they put it at the back of my gate. This is one of the advantages of having a private backyard. They put it at the back, you guys. I don't know if you can see it from here, but I'm about to go and get it. It's somewhere over there, just beyond the boys' scooters. So you guys, I think I know what it is. It's a PR package. I've been expecting it for a while and I would have missed it. Oh Lord, how are you guys? A Monzo Flexi cards just arrived. You guys, start building your credits. Start building your credits. I can't stress it enough. Use your money and then pay back whatever you owe the credit company from your main account, because things you need, the things you need credit for, you guys. We never even see that 2 minutes. These people already bring you bills. But then how will I still have the reality check that I'm still in the UK if they don't bring bills? You guys, as I was saying, as soon as you're able to, like after a couple of months, just start building your credit, because you will need it. You need it. I know initially it's a bit challenging to start building your credit, but once you have used, and I will highly recommend, this is not even sponsored, but I'll highly recommend Monzo, you guys. Monzo is that one account that will help you build your credit. I can tell you guys, because I've used Monzo for almost 2 years now, and I've been able to build my credit score and my credit payback with Monzo, and it's very good. It's really good. That's why I have applied for the Monzo Flexi card, so that I can be able to use it more and then repay back with my own money. So it's kind of the card that I use to make payments. My salary account is still as it is, but then with the Monzo card, I'm able to use that for my shopping, or you know, for any card payments, online shopping as well, and then I pay back with my own money. So it's like you're building your credit without even knowing that you're building your credit. So my salary account is just to get my salary in, and once my salary comes in, it stays in that account. Sometimes I move money around just to play with my accounts, and then I'm building my credits without even trying. So you guys, this wig is from Shein. You guys, the OGs on the channel already know that we've done at least 2 collaborations, and this is the 3rd one. This one is the this is a bone straight wig, you guys. It's a 26-inch, it's 180 density, 6x4. But you guys, this is the girl, this is the hair. Look at the length, you guys. Look at the length. Let me take out this wrapper because it's making too much noise. This hair, Father Lord, look at that. Hey, I suddenly feel like going to have my bath and just styling this hair, because what is this? It's so soft. It is so soft. But this one has a better smell. The previous two had kind of a strong smell, and that's for more the preservation. So the details to this hair will be in the description box. Let me go and freshen up and then now do correct Correct something. This hair is giving what it should give. I also want to find new hair on my head today when it comes back from work. And yeah, I'll be there slaying. Like, I've been working all day, but this is my work. YouTube is paying my bills right now. Like, all my, you guys know that I'm still looking for work right now, and all my revenue is coming from this YouTube. And I just thank God, because who thought that it's YouTube that will be feeding me when I have no work? If you're new here, you're more than welcome. Do what? Click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. That way you get notified every single time we upload a new video. But you guys, I'll see you in a bit. Today's video has been sponsored again by Shein, and they have sent me this HD glueless straight wig, and I'm going to be installing this in a moment. I have my trusty helper here. She has been with me for years. I brought her from South Africa, so she's going to help me customize this wig just a little so that we can make it our own. Alright, so the OGs on the channel already know that we have done quite a few collaborations with Shein, and this is the third in the installment. So if you've missed any of the other two, I will link them in the cards up here, and they will also be in the description box below, just in case you want to catch up on them. And I highly suggest that you do, because they were really lovely. Alright, so for those who are new here, Shein is not just an online store for clothes, shoes, bags and accessories and some other home appliances. They also deal with wigs, and they have sent me this amazing hair to, you know, try out in the video. You know, just looking at this wig, it requires little modification. And because I'm a side part girl, I'm just going to be putting a side part and just making sure that, you know, the wig is styled that way, because that's just how I love to rock my wigs. But anyway, I'm using a rattle comb to just portion the hair into smaller bits so that I can work in sections. I'm going to be using my curling wand, and I'm also going to be using a hot comb to make this hair straighter than what it's looking like right now. It kind of looks bumpy, almost like a big body wave, but I'm just trying to straighten that out. So I'm just combing it through, and then I'm going to apply a generous amount of heat protectant spray onto that, and then I'm going to go in a couple of times with my hot comb. I'm going to be going on both sides, so from the front and then from the back, and then I'm just going to be using this brush to help with the straightening of the hair. Now, after a couple of times of doing this method or using this method, I now understand why the salon or why hairstylists use a brush to, you know, help with the smoothing of the hair. That's because the hair just tends to take on that pattern as it's being straightened. So I've gone ahead to use some air wax, and I've put that on the hair, and that just helps, you know, with the shine and all of that. It also catches stray hairs as well. And then I'm going in with my razor comb to just trim some of the baby hairs, so that, you know, when I'm gluing or, you know, laying my edges down, it's not too long or hard to manage. And this is what the hair is looking like. I decided to put some curls at the end of the wig, but I didn't like it, and you see me comb it out much later in the video. I kind of just like the hair as it was. The curls were not looking too bad, but when I put it on my head, I didn't like what I was looking at, so I combed them out eventually, just so that the hair has a more natural look to it. When I put it on my wig cap, because I'm using a black cap, even if I'm using a nude color cap, I will still go ahead and tint it with my foundation and concealer mixture. And this is what the wig looks like in reverse. Like I said, it's a 6x4. It comes with a band that is adjustable to whatever tightness or fitting you want. And this is the hair. Just look at the melt of the lace and my skin, and that's just one of the advantages of mixing your concealer and your foundation to get that perfect match. Anyway, you guys, this is what the hair is looking like, and you can see here I have combed out the curls at the end, and just like it better this way. It looks a lot more subtle, a lot more natural or neutral. And just look at the shine of the hair, and this comes from, you know, all of the straightening and, you know, the heat that I applied to straighten the hair out. Honestly, I love this wig, and it's really so good. So I'm just going ahead and extra security. So if you're looking for a semi-permanent method to rock the hair, I'm just going ahead with my got to be glue spray, and I'm just spraying that on the lace in front, and I'm securing that with a band while I just go ahead, because I can still see some of the curls from before, and I'm just going to comb that out again, make sure that the hair is straight, because I really want bone straight to be bone straightened, if you feel me. But anyway, the hair is all dry now, and look at that melt. You can hardly even tell that it is a lace. Just to give me a little wave in the front, I'm using the hot comb again, and that is it, you guys. This hair turned out perfect. I love it. I love it so much. Look at the shine, look at how flowy it is. I can't stress it enough. Anyway, thank you again to Shein for sponsoring this video. You guys know what to do. Use my unique code as displayed on your screen. It will also be in the description box. Go ahead and get yourself some lovely hair. They're also running some sales right now, so it might be worth checking out some of the other products that they have on the website as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will be sure to see you in another one. Let me know your favorite Shein wig so far. This one is currently ranking on number 2 for me, but that's my personal preference. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I would love to hear from you.